Economical Liability Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Economical Liability Insurance Canada app is designed to simplify business liability management. You might assume it's just a digital policy viewer, but it actually lets you submit claims, track premiums, and receive real-time updates on policy changes and claim progress. On the pros side, the app supports direct claims submission, including photos, invoices, and supporting documents. Push notifications keep you informed on claim status, ensuring you never miss critical updates. Premium tracking is intuitive, with reminders for upcoming payments and access to a full history of past transactions. The app also provides risk management guidance, helping businesses prevent potential liabilities. One notable feature is easy access to policy documents and coverage details. You can request changes or updates without needing to contact an agent, saving valuable time for busy business owners. On the cons side, the app depends on an internet connection, which limits offline usage. Some users report slower performance when uploading large files or accessing older claims. Advanced analytics or predictive risk assessment tools are not included, so proactive risk planning requires external resources. In conclusion, the Economical Liability Insurance Canada app is a practical, reliable tool for day-to-day liability insurance management. It excels in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy accessibility. While it lacks advanced analytics, it provides everything most businesses need to efficiently manage their liability coverage in Canada.